Get ready for a sporting spectacle like no other. In a remarkable feat of determination and community spirit, Central Kalimantan's Governor H. Sugianto Sabran joined hands with Bank Kalteng's President Director Yosaparasi SE and the dedicated committee chairman H. Sugiyanto. Together, they orchestrated an unprecedented badminton game that made history. This grand celebration of talent was organized in Palangka Raya, which is the capital and largest city of the Indonesian province of Central Kalimantan. This amazing feat was recognized in the Asia Book of Records. The energy of 1,000 students, representing 15 elementary schools, converging on the iconic Palangka Raya Roundabout wasn't just a game. It was a show of unity and sportsmanship that left everyone in awe. By witnessing this breathtaking badminton showdown, these students were inspired to aim for the stars, fueled by the achievements of international athletes. It was an electrifying badminton extravaganza that united 1,000 young talents and kindled the flame of ambition.